Hello, in this video we're going to be making an unboxing of the ITX motherboard and the mini ITX motherboard rather, and which is the ASRock B75M ITX, and we're gonna let the cameraman do some explicit shots of the product, of the casing before we start. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. Once you open it up, you can see the manual, which, although you might be an advanced PC builder, you may also want to use this one because each case has its differences. So this is the manual for the ASRock Mini ITX motherboard. You've got the 555 feature with the specifications of the different features the motherboard has, which claims to be 5 times faster in Photoshop with on USB and on LAN, which highly depends on what components you're actually adding to your build, or what's your overclock, or what's the operating system you're using. So this doesn't actually apply in that much level ASRock claims. You also have your CD, which you should never use, and also always download the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website. Now, if we go into the actual motherboard itself, it comes with a SATA 2.0 cable, a SATA 3.0 cable. It comes with the I/O shield, which attaches at the back of your PC case. Here it is. Let's take this off. And finally, we're left with our motherboard, which, as you can see, is a really small motherboard. Let's take it out of its box. Never ever put your components on top of the anti-static bag. The anti-static bag is only anti-static from the inside. The outside can of course feel static and could potentially destroy your electronics. As you can see, it features the 1155 LGA socket for Intel chips, CPUs rather. You've got your PCI Express 3.0 slot for your dedicated graphics card. You get your 24-pin, and in this case just a 4-pin power. You get your chipset cooling. You have your dual slot for the RAM. You also have, if I can turn it like this, you have your SATA ports, which I'm guessing this is the SATA 3 port, and these are the 3 SATA 2 ports. if I can talk about this motherboard with some specific details, it has 2 DDR slots, which can go up to 1600 MHz, a 7.1 channel surround audio output, as you can see on the back of the mini ITX motherboard. It has the 3 SATA ports, as I talked about before. 3 SATA 2.0 ports, 1 SATA 3.0 port. It features the 1155 LGA socket for Intel CPUs. It's of course the 3.0 PCI Express slot, which is X16 lane. It has 1 eSATA, which you can see. Let me draw this back a bit because I need to see as well. Yep, this is the eSATA. You have 4 USB ports, which are here, and you have 2 USB 3.0 ports, which are the blue ones here. This is your microphone and the 7.1 channel surround sound. You also have a SPDIF optical output. You have your LAN output. You have your HDMI output, because, as you know, the latest from the 2nd generation up, Intel CPUs have integrated graphics, so you can use the onboard graphics. You also have a DVI output and a VGA output, and of course the PS2 mouse keyboard combo. This was pretty much the, let's put this here. This was pretty much the unboxing and first look of the ASRock B75M ITX motherboard. Thank you. See you on the next video.